Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to use Canva for logo making. Open a logo template, set your canvas size, and define a clear brand concept before adding shapes or text. Start with simple elements, align using grids, and pick 2 or 3 colors that work well together. Keep typography bold and readable. Export drafts in PNG and SVG to compare quality and scalability for different uses. Focus on core design elements and how they interact on the canvas so your logo reads clearly at any size. Combine simple shapes to form a unique mark, then refine strokes and corner radii for personality. Pair a display font with a neutral sans serif for balance and test legibility at small sizes. Use alignment tools to maintain even spacing and preview on dark and light backgrounds before finalizing. Try advanced options to future-proof your logo and streamline workflow across projects and platforms. Build multiple layout variations, like stacked and horizontal versions, so the logo fits any placement. Save an editable Canva copy and export a high-resolution PNG with transparency plus an SVG for crisp scaling. Keep a color and font guide to maintain brand consistency, and document usage rules to avoid.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.